Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to write missing bauble of each picture. Let's start. CBCC words. Write the middle bauble sound of each picture. A, E, I, O, U. Look at the first word, kick. K-I-C-K, kick. Write the letter I. K-I-C-K, kick. Look at the next word, raft. R-A-F-T, raft. Write the letter A. Raft. Look at the next word, kind. K-I-N-D, kind. Write the letter I. Kind. S-O-C-K. Write the letter O. Sock. S-O-C-K, sock. S-O-C-K, sock. Look at the next word, lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. Write the letter A. Look at the next picture, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Luck. L-U-C-K, luck. L-U-C-K, luck. Look at the next picture, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Write the letter U. Ring. R-I-N-G, ring. R-I-N-G, ring. Look at the next word, lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. King. K-I-N-G, king. K-I-N-G, king. Let's repeat again, kick. K-I-C-K, kick. Raft. R-A-F-T, raft. Kind. K-I-N-D, kind. S-O-C-K, sock. L-A-M-B, lamb. Well done kids, you're doing great. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.